Good afternoon, it's Jerry and today's Thursday, so that means I'm going to bring you an awesome little hack today. It has to do with a pineapple. Okay, so I've got a pineapple here, and I don't know about your family, but my girls and our family love fresh pineapple. And when we picked up these pineapples, they were mostly green throughout. And so we've got obviously a really sunny kitchen. So I just put these over in the counter so that they could get some sunlight every day. And this yellow color here is really the time that you want to buy your pineapple, if you can find them that yellow color. If not, get the green and just put them in a window. But this yellow is telling me that it's time to get these cut up, and the girls have been wanting them every day. And they actually took pineapple this morning in their lunch. So I thought, you know what, this is a great time to teach you how to cut and core a pineapple super easily, okay? So first of all, well, I'm going to adjust the camera down. So now it's going to be the pineapple in my belly with you, okay? Just a second. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to cut the top off of my pineapple. And I'm really interested to see if you can actually grow a plant from this. I don't know if I can make another pineapple with it, but I'm putting it in some water over here until I figure out what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to pop the bottom off. And you want a strong knife because these are pretty strong and this is kind of tough to cut through. And then I just try to go and focus on making a box to begin with. And all of these sides are just going to go right into my compost pile. This morning when I was cutting the first one up for the girls, they were just like literally salivating. They were saying, "Oh Mom, I just wish I could lick the cutting board right now. I want some of that so bad." And so I gave them a little piece, of course, because the little one was quite literally coming over to get herself a lick of the cutting board. So I'm just going to trim off a little bit more of the hard stuff here on the edges just to make it where it's all ready to go and we can just put it in the refrigerator, and then we've got a quick grab and go snack for our kids or ourselves. And you can also set this up to take in your own lunches throughout the week. So there we are. Now I recently saw that they're actually selling a tool to core pineapples, but you know what? All you need is an apple core because this lines up perfectly for that hard center, which is what you don't want. Now you're gonna have to put some muscle into this or have somebody tougher than you in your house do it, but you just push that through there. That's the hack. Boom. That easy. And then I just wiggled it, and this morning I just popped them through like that. Easy peasy. There's the core. And I'm just going to take and put that in my compost. It's a slippery sucker, and it's a little bit bigger than my hole, but that's okay. So now I can just lay my pieces here on this side and cut them up. And now they're all ready. Whoop, they're falling off the counter. If the girls were here, they wouldn't let them touch the ground. So now I've got juicy, so good. Juicy pineapple, all cut up for the girls, all ready for them to snack on. So I hope that you can find yourself a ripe pineapple, and if not, when they come back in season where you live, remember you want to look for one that's got yellow on it. But if you find a green one, then take it home and put it in your window. And when you start to first see those signs of yellow, that means it's sweet and ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed my handy little hack for cutting up and getting a pineapple ready. And have yourself a great day, and I can't wait to talk to you next week. Bye-bye.